there, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a topper review of the special effect human hair topper from Raquel Welch in R6/30H, otherwise known as chocolate copper. So obviously I can't integrate this in with my hair, but I'll do with this what I typically do, which is I'll explain the cap features, I'll put it on my head inside out so you can kind of see the cap features and how they lay on top of my scalp. And then I'll turn it right side in so you can see how much coverage you would get. This has a full hand-tied monofilament top and a pre-cut contoured lace front. It's a nice lace front, kind of a, deep V sort of lace front. Definitely has a more pronounced shape to it. At least this sample does. There are tracks on the side for a little bit of volume. And pressure sensitive clips. These are nice pressure sensitive clips on the back. And roughly right above each where the ear tab would be if this were a full wig. So like right around here, you'll see in a sec. If you decide to keep this one, you'll probably want to cut the tags out in the back so they don't make surprise appearances when you least expect it, because they can stick out. Yeah. So this is how this one will lay. And the kind of coverage you can expect. You'd probably position the lace front right around here so that the front of the lace front hits the front hairline. See where that would sit? So it's not going to give you complete coverage like a top full by John Renault would. So this is probably ideal for intermediate stages of hair loss, or if you just want more volume. This is a great piece to add some volume. I'm going to go ahead and put this right side in so you can see what this would look like on. It's a beautiful color, this chocolate copper. It's a little bit more of a blend in the human hair than it is in the synthetic. It's a very pretty sort of chocolate brown color. This is a really gorgeous length. It's 11.5 inches. Here at the nape. This is a beautiful topper. The monofilament features are very well made. The hair feels great, but just like all color processed hair, you're gonna want to make sure you condition her frequently. Yeah, beautiful topper. So this is the special effect by Raquel Welch. And this color is R6/30H, otherwise known as chocolate copper. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com, bringing you not just wig, but also topper reviews. So that way I can help you find whatever it is that you're looking for. And then hopefully you'll come and buy it from my store. It's great how that works out. So until next time, have a great night, everybody, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.